Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can rotate a video in Canva. So I have this video and I want to rotate it to a different angle. And there are two methods to try. The first method is very easy. All you need to do is you have to upload a video, or you can also select a video from the Canva library and then put that into the canvas. And after that, you want to click or select the video and navigate to the flip section right here. You can either select flip horizontally or flip vertically. The flip vertically is very similar to rotating the video to 180 degrees, so it's kind of upside down. But of course, this is not a proper rotation. This is pretty much just flipping a video, although the effect is very similar. So how do you actually rotate a video? Well, you cannot rotate a background video. So if you have a background video, you have to remove it first. This is happen to be the background of this canvas, so I need to right click and detach video from background. Now this is the original form of the video, and as you can see here, there is this rotating icon. You can click on it and then you can rotate it to the left or to the right to create a rotation. And after that, you can right click and then set it as a background again, and this is the result. So that's how you can rotate a video in Canva. I hope you find this tutorial to be helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel, and it will really help me out. Anyway, I wish you a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.